So I've just seen we're pushing up towards 30 minutes for this video. I didn't want to make it too long because it gets too bulky and a lot of people aren't here at the end anyway. But, I think you can see that you can customize and make your desk work. You can manage your tickets. You can assign them. You can see who's doing what. You can see at a top level how many tickets a week or a day people are doing. People are serving. People are solving. You can see customer feedback. You can do everything you need out of a desk, and it's really cool. Part of Zoho One, and as I say, come to my training. I'm going to build out exactly how to do things. I know I flew through setups in this video, but I'll do a little bit more of a slower. This is how you set up a widget. This is how you do it on a website. If someone comes in and says, "How do I add?" You just create a new topic. How do I add the widget to WordPress? Whatever it is, just ask a question. Create a topic. I'll dive in. Probably create you a video. It helps everybody else. There's going to be more structured training on the main platform, but that'll be premium. You'll have to pay for it. But if you're part of my Z1 club, if you've signed up with Zoho One via me, if you go to z1trial.com, there's information on setting up there. There's information about the Z1 club, the private group, the forum, and being partners. If you sign up for Zoho with my partner link, you will get all the training included and some private area forums we've got, and some bonuses as well. So that was Zoho Desk. I know I've flown through it. I know I haven't shown you absolutely everything. I haven't given you a full introduction, but this was a beginner. See the value, see what it's capable of. If you're already using Zoho CRM, you can add Zoho Desk to your CRM just to boost customer happiness and making sure everybody's sorted. Any questions, you know where I am, paulnicholson.com. I'm always here to help, so let me know your problems or any questions you've got. Thanks for watching. See you soon.